Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do my Butterscotch Buddino. Please sit back and enjoy. The ingredients you will need are as follows: 375 ml milk, 225 ml cream, 150 grams brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 3 egg yolks. So the first thing you'll need to do is to put your butter in a saucepan on the heat and start the melting process. Once your butter has melted, you need to add in your brown sugar and give it a stir until they completely come together, making sure not to burn the sugar or else you'll need to start over again. Once completed, add your cream to the saucepan, mix it until it comes together, then bring it to the boil and remove it off the heat. After you've taken your pan off the heat, you'll need to get a bowl and add in your eggs and corn flour. Give them a mix until they come together and add a splash of your milk and mix until it is smooth. Once smooth, add in the rest of your milk and the vanilla extract and mix together again. Now get your hot sugar mixture and slowly add it to the bowl while mixing the whole time. Once completely incorporated, add it all back into a saucepan and place back on the stovetop on a high heat. Now you'll need to mix with a whisk while the cornstarch does its thing and thickens the mixture. Once it becomes thick enough to coat the back of a spoon, take it off the heat. And watch out during this process, as it is extremely hot and can spit at you and cause severe burns. Next up, you need to strain the mixture just in case there are any lumps in it. Once strained, you can now pour the mixture into the dish you will serve it in. You only need to pour in a little bit as it is a very rich dessert, but I'm a pig and will be filling up the cups a lot. Then you'll need to place in the fridge until cooled for a minimum of 2 hours. I will be topping the Buddino with a caramel sauce and also some unsweetened whipped cream. For the caramel sauce recipe, you will need 1/4 cup of sugar and a splash of water, just enough to wet the sugar. Then bring it up to a boil, and then once it starts to brown, add in 1 teaspoon of butter and a 1/4 cup of cream. Mix with a whisk until smooth, and then once it is cooled slightly, you can pour it on top of your Buddino. Then when ready to serve, add on your cream. Thank you for watching. Try making it yourself. See you in the next video.